Do you remember sequence of operation? A very important thing to remember when troubleshooting a hearth appliance is the sequence of operation. But never forget the most basic principle, the combustion triangle. We need these three things: oxygen, heat, and fuel to have a fire. Understanding what happens next, or the sequence of operation with any hearth appliance, is crucial to effectively diagnosing a failure. Sequence of operation is the number of steps that need to happen to achieve fire. When there is a fault, at least one of these steps is not present. That is why understanding the sequence of operation is so critical to effectively troubleshooting a hearth appliance. We need to have proof of fire for the fireplace, stove, or insert to proceed to the next operation, a pretty flame. We use thermocouples, which generate millivolts, pilot sense rods, which transfer microamps, exhaust sensing devices, which change resistance with heat in order to proceed safely to the next operation, fire. Pellet appliances must also have proof of airflow, the combustion fan running, for anything to happen. The vacuum switch confirms this action. Do not forget the 4 P's: pressure, power, path, and part. Sequence of operation encompasses all of the 4 P's. You have to have your tools ready, from the diagnostic ones to the printed documents.